Hello friends, I'm Joyful. Let's learn shapes together. Circle. On the left, a bright red circle, and on the right, a shiny ball. Both are round and smooth. Square. Here comes a square, and beside it, a window frame. See? 4 equal sides. Triangle. Here's a perfect triangle, and next to it, a slice of yummy pizza. Both have 3 sides. Rectangle. A big rectangle, and beside it, a classroom blackboard. Long and straight. Wow! Star. A golden star, and next to it, a shining star in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle. Yay! You learned shapes and real objects. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and star. Let's learn more next time, only on JoyFull. Bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe.